This is Lysatia scrubbing the remote.
Shut up. It needs clean. Look at this one.
He's taking pictures.
See? And look at this one. Which one looks better?
They both look the same.
They do not.
Yes,
Do they look the same?
they are both
Come
remotes.
look over here.
They're both remotes.
Come look closer.
What?
Now. Look at them.
One's a smaller version of the other.
No, one's dirty. Can you see the dirt?
No.
Babe,
Yes, dear.
one's dirtier.
No.
Whatever.
So you know how I
I'm gonna
told you?
scrub this remote until it's clean.
Guess who asked me to get hold of Caitlin this time?
Dale.
Yeah, he asked me to get hold of her. When every other time he gets
Babe,
mad.
can you find a hobby?
I did.
I did too.
Your hobby's gonna be cleaning?
Cleaning remote control.
About time.
That's very nice of you.
Uh-huh.
Who let her in?
I did. No one let me in. I walked in. Yeah.
Babe, what are you
I
doing?
found a hobby.
You're wasting memory space on my
It's on
phone.
the SD card.
Great, even better.
I can delete it.
Let's see this shiny remote.
I'm not done yet.
Can you see yourself in it?
Not yet.
Wax on, wax off.
God, you're a butthole.
Hear that? This is what I deal with,
It's almost done.
You should
okay?
put that on YouTube.
being a
No,
butthole.
you shouldn't.
Yes, you
How to
should.
scrub a remote.
How to scrub a remote.
And this is
Listen.
how we do.
People scrub their remotes, okay?
No, I don't think people do scrub
I've
the
never
remote.
seen anyone scrub a remote.
I believe
Until
that
now.
that usually by the time the remote stops working, there's no point.
Look, shiny remote. Look how shiny it is.
I don't see
Looks
the
no
You should
different.
see
I
Alyssa's
think I
hair.
missed a spot.
Like, I made a bun in your hair. It looks really cute.
This has antibacterial soap on
Are
it.
there any boogers on the remote?
I hope not, but if there were, I cleaned them off.
Billy, look at Alyssa's back here.
There's like stuff in the crevices.
I went to go call him. Hi. Hey. Hey. What are you doing this weekend, Caitlin? Oh, your dad wanted to see if you wanted to come over because if you were going to come over, he was going to take us girls to Christmas in the village.
So she's been at it for about 6 minutes. She was
I
at it
thought
for
you were
about 3
done with
minutes
that.
before I started videotaping her. And now we're approximately 3 minutes and 20 seconds in.
They do that. You know, the town does.
I hate you right now.
She loves me,
No,
every bit of me.
I hate you.
Huh? Well, your dad
Shiny.
just
Now it's
asked me
perfect.
to call you.
Perfect. Perfectly clean. Look at it. Can you tell the difference? Because I sure can.
No difference.
There is no difference.
There is no difference. Yeah,
I don't even know why you're in my house.
Ask your children.
No, she didn't barge.
Your children.
And here goes remote number 2.
Shut
Oh
up.
my god.
It'll be
Playing
clean.
with her hair.
It will be clean.
It's so soft. Are you still in the phone?
Don't you have like something to do?
I hope you don't.
I found a hobby. Why can't you?
Cleaning remotes. So if you need a remote clean, please call us at 989 745
Don't.
47 bleep bleep.